For heavy-duty shipping challenges, you expect strength and durability. But what if your packaging solution went beyond the expected and revolutionized your entire shipping system? Imagine high-quality, high-performance packaging that sets up and knocks down in seconds. An efficient, economical, space-saving solution with brute stacking strength. Introducing the Easy Shipping Kit. A strong, durable, reliable, and reusable alternative to pallets and wood crates. It's everything you imagined and more. A triple-wall, self-contained, export-compliant storage and shipping option for a wide range of applications. And it's expertly designed and perfectly sized for standard sea containers to make shipping more efficient than ever before. Choose from 2 stock sizes or custom order your Easy Shipping Kits today.